Okay guys, maiden voyage on the video. First time. I know the quality may not be what you expect with a lot of other channels. Just give me some time. I know it's going to get better. Going to go over a number of different markets. I have 20 years of trading and investing experience and have particularly focused on price and time pivot points, and specifically when they align, taking those swing trades to a high degree of accuracy. I have consumed a lot of YouTube content, trading content, and more than anything thought, hey, why not put some of this out there? We've had a lot of success. Maybe somebody will find it interesting or helpful. With all that said, hey, the disclaimer, I'm not a financial professional. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Please consult a licensed professional financial advisor. For the maiden voyage, I thought we would take a look at Bitcoin. I have plans later today to put out content on the S&P 500, silver, gold. I'm in the agricultural industry, so I certainly look at wheat, corn, beans, the livestock market, in addition to trading S&P 500, NASDAQ, and the Dow. Anyway, I wanted to put out Bitcoin. It's a chart I've been watching. I wanted to clean up the chart and kind of walk through what you'll find on this channel in terms of weekly, monthly pivots, both in terms of price and time. Typically, what we're going to be looking for is when those meet to take those swing trades. You'll find that there'll be times that I'll be looking for a market to come down to a price pivot like we have in this chart here, say to this $29,000 to $30,000 range, at a time pivot as well to take a long trade, and we'll see that it will run up into these time periods and may very well reverse and chop lower. It just comes down with expectations. These weekly and monthly pivots in terms of timing are off a number of different cycles, and so they have a way of inverting. They have a way of creating highs when you think they're going to be lows. They have a way of creating back-to-back lows or back-to-back highs. So, it's something that I'm sure we will at times differ in terms of the count and where it's headed. But if at the end of the day you have other analysis that says, hey, this weekly pivot that the financial cowboy is showing is going to be a high when he expects a low, trade it that way. What I do plan to do is leave these pivots up over time as the chart moves on, so we can see if and when they create turning points so that you guys can see, hey, was he right or was he wrong? Anyway, what we're looking at, we're flat right now. I expect overall Bitcoin to trend higher. There are a lot of folks in the industry right now that think that Bitcoin is done, that it is moving significantly lower. I am not in that camp as of yet. If we were to get monthly closings below, say, that 30,000, that 28.5 to 30,000 range, I would be out of my crypto, specifically Bitcoin, and on the sidelines. Until that happens, I think we're in the long-term bull market still alive. So what do I expect to take place? Well, I would like to see, and what does the market care what I'd like, but if I were to take a trade, I'd like to see the market over the next 2 weeks trade down into one of our weekly or monthly pivot points in terms of price, around that $30,000, $29,000 mark. I think that would get a lot of people bearish. I think that would have a lot of people throwing in the towel. Why I would like to see that is that time and price would align quite nicely for a long trade to the upside with minimal risk. We would update trades as we take them real time, put out videos showing buy and sell points, profit and loss. So with Bitcoin, that's what we're looking at. As we move forward with these charts, expect to see both timing pivots when we can expect turns as well as prices. If we get into the next couple of weeks and we are still trading around 40,000, I will not do anything. Um, I am long some coins. That said, I won't be trading these markets or buying and selling them on swings unless time and price meet. So we'll continue to update this chart as we get into next week. We're seeing a lot of consolidation as this wedge pattern forms here. Again, we get a move down to 30,000 during these weekly pivot time frames. We will be buying them, Bitcoin that is, and with a stop around 28.5, 28,250. So hope you guys start to find this content helpful, and like and subscribe. Thank you.